Wait, what am I explaining over here? Okay, we just sanded the engine bay with 800 grit to get it prepped for the paint job. We did burn through a little bit, so we're gonna have to seal a couple things. So we're gonna do 1 or 2 coats of sealer, depending on how it looks after the first coat. After we let that dry, we're gonna hit the whole engine bay with probably 2 or 3 coats of black, straight black base coat. This is gonna give us the foundation for the pearl that we mix because it's translucent. So we're gonna put probably 3 or 4 coats, maybe even 5 coats of this pearl on top of the black. It's gonna make the black look this crazy pearly green color. After that, we're gonna mix up some more intercoat with these gold shreds. Also from Spade. They look sick. We're gonna spray that on top of the pearl, and we're gonna clear the whole thing, probably wait a couple days, and then flow coat it. And it's gonna look nasty. Okay, so when we originally sprayed the primer and stuff on this engine bay, we fixed a couple little bodywork areas and everything, and then we did 2 coats of epoxy and 3 coats of high build primer, which is what you see right now. We just sanded that, and we had a couple little baby burn throughs, so we're gonna, before we actually spray base coat, we're gonna seal it. Probably 2 coats, depending on how it looks after the first one, or 2 coats just to be safe, I guess you could say. We gotta spray black base coat before the pearl.
Nice.
We just sprayed sealer, it already flashed, so we're gonna put probably 2 coats, maybe 3 for full coverage of black base coat on there. So what we're gonna do is, this mix is 2 to 1. So we'll find the 2 to 1, and we'll put that on there, and then we'll dump a little bit of this in, mix it up, dump it in, dump it in, dump it in, until this whole thing's in there. The pearl, we're gonna use this to make the pearl, but we're also gonna use this intercoat to make the clear base coat to put the flakes in. So,
Okay.
shall we begin?
Yes,
Where's
sir.
Jimmy at?
Already starting to look crazy. It's looking amazing.
Looks crazy.
Really crazy. I mean, you've done this plenty of times. This is like my really first time seeing. I don't see this too much.
Very pearly. Crazy pearly. Good. Okay, this will be the last one. Light hits it, it's like green and gold.